Hello again, my friend. Today's homework is going to teach us how to find out how many points we got on Monday night's homework. And you should use this each day to find out how well you're doing on your homework assignments. To find your points, my friends, the first thing you want to do is find these 3 lines up in the top left corner. Click on those lines and then find where it says to do. When I go to do, I see my assignments for this week. But I also see up here that I can find the assignments that are done. When I click done, I see all the work that I've done. This was last night's homework. I got 100 out of 100 points. That means I did all of my work for that assignment. Now it's your turn to find out how many points you got on the assignment. When you're done and you know your points, go back to Google Classroom, go to classwork, go to Tuesday, and you can answer today's question. How many points did you get for Monday's homework? I got, how many points did I get? That's right, I got 100. And that's how I answer the question. Now I can go back and mark as done. Remember, boys and girls, if you answered the question, you are done. You don't have to attach any work. Click Mark as Done. Now it's your turn. Good luck, boys and girls.